It's hard to imagine a time when Dubai didn't have the skyline it does today, with new feats in architecture gracing the city almost every year. The endless tourism and shopping opportunities, and the incredible state of security, healthcare, and education in Dubai. It is a dream to live, work, or even vacation in this city. But it wasn't always futuristic buildings and skyscrapers. The man who took Dubai from a desert land and a fishing village to a global financial powerhouse, which is a playground for the wealthy, is Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, currently the ruler of Dubai. He was witness to the British relinquishing the Seven Emirates and made Dubai what it is today. And as he rapidly sped up the progress of the city, he amassed wealth beyond our imaginations. And today, we're going to take a look at the lifestyle of the wealthiest family in Dubai. Before we go on, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. The Al Maktoum family is the ruling family in Dubai, UAE. And suffice to say, they lead a lifestyle like no other. The current ruler and prime minister of Dubai, Sheikh Mohammed, is worth $18 billion. He controls Dubai Holdings, a global investment company. He launched Emirates Airlines and developed the Dubai International Airport and Al Maktoum International Airport. And if you've ever been lucky enough to have a stopover in Terminal 3 of Dubai International Airport, you know it's a luxury mall and hotel rolled into one, complete with a spa and a gym. With a portfolio like that, he has rightly earned his wealth and has invested it well into an impressive collection of properties outside the Middle East. He owns La Belle Epoque penthouse in Monaco. The 3-bedroom, 17,500 square foot duplex penthouse comes with a double-height library, vast roof terraces, an infinity pool, a cinema, leisure rooms, and a media room with chairs that convert into beds. There is even a panic room with reinforced glass and surveillance cameras. All of this and more cost the Sheikh a whopping $308 million, which is probably a drop in the bucket for him. He also owns the 63,000-acre Inveterate estate in Scotland, and the property includes a 14-bedroom manor with a 16-bedroom guest house. This property was bought over 30 years ago for $2.5 million, which in today's terms is about $5.5 million. He also purchased Dalham Hall in the UK for $60 million, which was a good investment as it allows him to indulge in one of his favorite hobbies, horse racing. Saying Sheikh Mohammed is quite passionate about horses is an understatement. As a young man studying in Cambridge, he would often skip meals to save money for a train ticket to go watch horse racing. He would later launch the 1996 Dubai World Cup for horse racing. He is quite the major figure in international thoroughbred horse racing and breeding, so it's no surprise that he owns the biggest horse breeding operation in the world, Darley Stud. Darley Stud is located right next to Dalham Hall, on the outskirts of Newmarket, Suffolk, and it cost him $500 million. And in addition to training stallions for racing, Darley Stud also manages the racing interests of Sheikh Mohammed and other members of the Maktoum family. And in addition to that, he also owns Gainsborough Stud in Kentucky. It originally belonged to his brother, Sheikh Maktoum bin Rashid Al Maktoum, but after his passing, Sheikh Mohammed merged it with his own operation at Darley Stud. A little closer to home, his official residence in Dubai is the Sheikh Mohammed Palace, or Zabil Palace, estimated at $400 million. It's about 6 kilometers away from the Dubai frame, and surrounded by the incredible skyscrapers that make up the skyline of the city. It was designed by Otto Boulard, who also designed the clock tower in Dubai. The palace is surrounded by well-maintained lush gardens and peacocks. If you ever happen to be in Dubai, you can visit the grounds, but don't get too close. The security here is pretty tight. Spotting the Sheikh in his car or just out and about in the city is not that rare a sight. You'll often see him or one of his sons drive in this iconic Mercedes G63 AMG, a favorite of the royals, as well as the Dubai police force. This car is about $260,000, and that is not counting the custom works done specifically for his convoy. The Sheikh actually has a collection of over 100 cars, but what else do you expect from a Dubai royal? The collection includes BMWs, Rolls-Royce, Mercedes-Benz, Ferraris, and even some vintage cars. He also owns the new Devil 16, a car launched in the 2017 Dubai International Motor Show. It is made from a super lightweight and high-strength carbon fiber body and estimated at $2.2 million. As of 2020, it is said to be the fastest car in the world, with a top speed of 560 kilometers per hour, or 347 miles per hour. But when he isn't driving around the city he built literally from scratch or racing thoroughbreds, he's probably on his yacht. The yacht Dubai was designed by Andrew Winch and includes a floating dock that was transported by the Blue Marlin via Turkey. The yacht is currently kept in front of the Sheikh's private islands. The yacht includes a helipad, 2 10-meter-long motorboats, a dining room for 90 guests, and a 10-meter swimming pool. It even has a cinema, 20 water bikes, a submarine, a lobster tank, and a squash court. Basically, you'd have no reason to leave this yacht, ever. It has room for 88 crew members and 115 guests. And this 8-deck, 631-foot luxury vessel cost the Sheikh $300 million. Of course, his children also enjoy many of these luxuries. Sheikh Mohammed has 23 children, and his eldest is the most popular in the country, and in fact around the world. The Crown Prince of Dubai, Sheikh Hamdan bin Rashid Al Maktoum, is currently the deputy ruler of Dubai and the Minister of Finance and Industry in the UAE, with a net worth of $400 million. Much like his father, Sheikh Hamdan also loves horse racing and established his first racing stable, Shadwell Racing, in the UK in 1981. He now owns 8 stud farms worldwide, with 200 regally bred mares and top stallions. Back home, he has an impressive car collection too. Maybe not as impressive as his father's, but definitely still something. His golden car collection alone comes up to a total of $59.6 million. And yes, you heard that right. The Prince of Dubai has an entire collection of cars in gold. It includes a Porsche 918 Spider worth $845,000. But we're sure the same car in gold goes up to millions. It also includes a Lamborghini Aventador, typically around $2 million, a Mercedes G63 AMG, which typically goes for about $300,000, a Range Rover Vogue, 2 Rolls-Royce, a Nissan Godzilla GTR, a Bugatti, a Ferrari, all of it in pure gold. That isn't to say he only indulges in luxury cars and racehorses. He supports several animal welfare charities, visits blood donation drives, frequents the Autism Center, and even participates in conducting sports events like yoga and marathons in Dubai. He is also the founder of the Prince Hamdan Charity Foundation and has donated over $20 million in medical facilities for relief missions abroad. As lavish as the lifestyle of the Al Maktoum family is, they are still very down-to-earth in the way they dress and conduct themselves, often found walking around their city without any guards and interacting with people. Can you imagine any other royal family in another country doing that? This, of course, is also a testament to the safety in the country and to how much people love the family there. Back in 2010, Sheikh Mohammed had made a plan he termed Vision 2021, a strategy to boost Dubai's fortunes, focusing on fostering innovation, engaging the youth, investing in health, education, and scientific research, and establishing good governance. It is no surprise, as this interview will tell you, when asked why he was in such a hurry to develop Dubai when this type of work would generally take someone over 20 years, he responded, "I want my people to live better